So it makes this crazy noise, but then if I press this, it like totally stops. It starts. Like zooming in. If I want to focus. Sorry. Makes that like jumpy image.